Today we're talking with Swiss Productions, one of the top 5 manufacturers of micro-machined precision parts and components.
The company was founded in 1982 and started out with about maybe 5 to 6 screw machines, and it evolved into what we're in now. We turn parts, small parts, all the way down from like 19 thousandths in diameter all the way up to 2.5 inch now, and we produce about 2 million parts a month to our customers worldwide. And we wanted to find ways to keep our machines running 24 hours a day and generating more product while our lights were out, and having the robots here gives us that opportunity, and it frees up our employees.
I'm a CNC machinist. I'm in charge of programming, setting up, and when my boss isn't here, I'm usually in charge of the department. With this job, I would have to stand here for about 10 minutes at a time, waiting for the part to finish, and then loading it. With OB7, it just saves us that much time. Like I said, now I'm available to go work on the next setup, and I have all the confidence in this. We've let it run overnight, and we haven't had any issues so far.
OB7 makes our staff more productive by allowing our employees to do other things to further our processes with our parts. The OB7 is focusing on the one machine, and our employees now can focus on other parts in preparation for other machines that we're going to be running as well. With the robots coming into play here at Swiss Productions, we have not let go of any employees. If anything, our production has increased because of our robots, and we've maintained the same amount of employees.
Should I close the door?